World over, there are countries that are recording a fresh spike of COVID-19 cases. This includes countries from the European Union, New Zealand, UK, for example, and also Russia. There is a concern that there could be yet another wave of COVID-19 in many of these countries outside of India. Take a look.
Is the pandemic making a comeback? 2 years since the global outbreak. Fresh surge are being reported in United Kingdom, neighbouring European Union nations, Russia and New Zealand, raising fears of yet another deadly wave. United Kingdom. About 52,009 people in Britain have tested positive for COVID-19, marking the first time that figure has been above 50,000 since July 17th. The country also reported 115 coronavirus-related deaths. The total number of COVID deaths in Britain is now nearly at 1.4 lakhs. Health officials suggest the AY4.2 variant may be behind the sudden spike.
A sudden spike in COVID-19 cases is being seen in countries such as the United Kingdom, Russia, as well as in Israel. Scientists suggest that the AY4.2 may be behind these sudden spikes. Although not alarming, but certainly this new variant of the Delta Plus lineage has taken hold in these countries where Russia is looking at record deaths and some other nations have had to go through stricter quarantine and lockdown measures once again, despite having vaccinated even with the third booster doses.
But UK is confident of containing the spread without lockdown.
Prime Minister, is a full lockdown this winter with stay-at-home advice, shops closing, is that out of the question?
I've got to tell you at the moment that we see absolutely nothing to indicate that that's on the cards.
Last week, Russian President Vladimir Putin approved a government proposal for a week-long workplace shutdown starting from November to combat a sharp rise in COVID cases and deaths. Last week, Russia reported 1,106 deaths in 24 hours, the highest since the start of the pandemic. The record numbers forcing partial lockdowns and putting pressure on health workers and hospitals.
Hospitalization is more active now. About 10% of patients are discharged every day and an equal number are admitted to the hospital on the same day. There are many more patients than in the previous coronavirus wave.
Большинство из них, 98%, 99% не вакцинированы.
New Zealand reported 109 locally acquired coronavirus cases last Monday. Most were reported from Auckland. Kiwis also saw their second worst day of daily infections since the pandemic began. Initially lauded for stalling COVID, the Jacinda Ardern government of tiny island nation has been unable to fight the rise of Delta variant. Despite a crippling 2-month lockdown in Auckland, the most populous city. Tumbling COVID counts led some US schools to consider relaxing mask norms. But deaths have worryingly crept up in the last few weeks. Some rural hospitals showing signs of strain, even as the country is powering ahead with vaccinations of children.
States have now placed their initial orders of vaccine for kids. And upon FDA authorization of the vaccine, millions of doses will be shipped immediately to tens of thousands of pediatricians, family doctors, children's hospitals, community health centers, rural health clinics, and pharmacies. Providers, parents, and kids know and trust.
Easing COVID curbs, rise of Delta and other mutants are resulting in COVID surge in many nations. While high vaccination rates have brought down hospitalization, worries about yet another wave appears to be more real. With Sneha Mordani in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.